Hello my dear students, good morning to all. Today we will study lesson number 22, flight word. Flight मतलब जो पंछी वगैरह पक्षी उड़ते हैं उस पे उसको हम flight birds. There are various species of animals, but only some can fly. Many types of animals are there, but only some can fly and are called birds. Okay, the birds see the world from the sky as well as the bird see the world from the sky and return to land. They are lucky to see the best of both worlds. Now we have to study here 10 questions were asked. We have to write the answer now. First one, which bird can rotate its head at a maximum of 270 degree? What it is asked here? Which bird can rotate its head? Rotate यानी घुमाना. Its head at a maximum of 270 degree. Which bird that one? That bird's name is owl. O-W-L. What is that name bird? Owl. Understood? So, the bird which can rotate its head at the degree of 270 degree is called, that bird name is owl. Next, second, which extinct bird was last seen in Mauritius? Which extinct bird? That bird name is dodo. What is that? Dodo. D-O-D-O. The bird name is dodo. Next, third one. Which bird makes a which makes a call that resembles a cat sound? Mew. Which birds make a call that resembles a cat sound? Mew. That bird name is grey catbird. Grey catbird. Grey catbird. Now fourth one. What is the study of bird called? The study of bird is known as ornithology. 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 Study of bird is called. Keep in mind ornithology. Study of bird. Spelling ornithology. O-R-N-I-T-H-O-L-O-G-Y. Next one. Fifth one now. Which is the national bird of the USA? Which is that bird? That bird name is bald eagle. Bald, bald E-A-G-A-G. Bald eagle is the national bird of the USA. Okay, sixth now. Sixth one. Which birds lay the largest egg? That bird name is ostrich. Ostrich can lay the largest egg. Which bird can lay the largest egg? So it is ostrich. Understood? Now 7. What is the length of the bill of an average toucan? What is the length of the bill of an average toucan? That is 7 to 5 inch. 7 to 5 inches. 7 to 5 what? Inches. The length of the toucan bird. Next, 8th one. Which bird can fly backward? That bird name is hummingbird. Hummingbird can fly backward. Hummingbird. Ninth question. What makes flamingos pink? Flamingos pink. Their diet. And last one. Which is the tallest Indian bird? That is Cirrus crane. Cirrus crane. The name of that bird is Cirrus crane is the tallest Indian bird. So understood this? 10 example. So note down. Now lesson 23, FIFA World Cup. It is related to what? Sports and recreation. It is related to sports. The FIFA World Cup is an international football competition. It is an international football competition. It is one of the most widely viewed sporting event in the world. Now here 12 questions were asked. We have to answer that question. First one, in which year was the first FIFA World Cup held? In which year it is held? It is held in 1930. It is held in 1930. In the year 1930, the first FIFA World Cup held. Second, which country has won the World Cup the most time? That country name is Brazil. Brazil country won the maximum most time, won the World Cup the most time. Okay. Now third, which country has never won the FIFA World Cup? That country name is Netherlands. Netherlands. The country of that name is Netherlands. Understood? Now the fourth one, which country hosted the 2010 FIFA World Cup? It was the first time the World Cup was held in the continent that this country is located in. Where it is located? It is located in South Africa. It is located in what? South Africa. Fifth one, the dash is awarded to the player who scores the most goal at the World Cup. What is that? The dash is awarded to the player who scores the most goal at the World Cup. That is Golden Boot. Golden. It is called Golden Boot. Golden Boot. Now sixth one. Name the which country is given to the best goalkeeper? Which country given to the best goalkeeper? That is called Yashin Award or the Golden Glove. Yashin. Y-A-S-H. Yashin Award. Shin Award or the Golden Glove or the Golden Glove. Glove. Understood? That Yashin Award or the Golden Glove. Now seventh one. Name the loud instrument that fans blew in the stand during the 2010 FIFA World Cup in South Africa. That is called Vuvuzela. That is called Y-U. 1 minute. Seventh question. What it is asked? Name the loud instrument that fans blew in the stand during the 2010 FIFA World Cup in South Africa. That is called Vuvuzela. Y-U. V-U. V-U. Vuvuzela. Next now, eighth one. How old was Pele when he scored a goal at the 1958 FIFA World Cup in Sweden? How many old at that time? He was 17 years old. 17 years old. 17 years what? Old. Old. Ninth question now. Which country will host the 2022 FIFA World Cup? That country name is Qatar. That country name is what? Qatar. Qatar will hold the. Which country will host the 2022 FIFA World Cup? Means Qatar. Next, 10th one. 10. Who is the only player to have won 3 World Cup? Which player that one? Pele of Brazil. Pele of Brazil. Pele of Brazil in 1958. In 1958, 1962 and 1970 and 1970. This 3 years he he is the only player that he won the 3 World Cup. Pela, Brazil in 1958, 1962 and 1970. 11th example means question. Now look at what is given. Which country hosted the 2040 FIFA World Cup? What is that country name? Brazil. Brazil hosted the. Which country hosted the 2040 FIFA World Cup? Means Brazil hosted the 2040 FIFA World Cup. Okay, Brazil. BRAZIL. And last one. Which country won the 2000 FIFA World Cup? Which country won the 2014 FIFA World Cup? What is that country name? It is called Germany. The name of that country is Germany. GER. Germany. So write down these answers.